is probably 4-7.
4-7, room 30, that's it.
It's on the second floor. And then check-in tomorrow is at 11 a.m. But you guys can still keep swimming all day. Just make sure you have wristbands on so we'll let you back in the water park. And in this gift shop, guys, here they do give out some free little beers. They're complimentary. You just gotta go there anytime during the stay. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
I thought you meant the only time we could go in the room is 7 for her.
No.
Are there any like baggage cards or something?
Yeah, they're all outside against the wall.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's
Wow. Hi. So you guys,
What? I don't know. You have to ask. Hi guys. Hi. We just checked in. Can they get their beers? Absolutely. You guys need 4? Thank you very much.
Not 4.
I'll wear one.
I'll wear one. I get
Thank
enough.
you.
Have a good time, guys.
who's gonna wear it? I think, Dad, I think we're playing Twilight Princess. I think we're playing Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess.
If you get, why don't we go up to the room and I'll get the cart and let's all go up. I'll come back down and
Why this song?
Make sure we get everything. Go do the chicken dance.
I'm staying right here.
go do it.
Go ahead. Do the chicken dance.
They won't mind.
Go like this.
Did you really think we'd drive 200 miles just to go out for burgers?
Yeah. Yep.
They were good burgers, weren't they?
Yeah. Even if it was worth it. And it says no animals, but this is really a live animal.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You named it after a live animal.
But it's not alive.
Bro, why does it have Storm 1 and 4-7?
What?
Huh?
Oh, that's probably just. Oh, we can set back room 7.
Good looking.
Dad, he's taking a picture of you.
No, she's not. Take a picture of you.
Right? Step on the stalls.
Oh,
Hannah's not.
I know, Scott knows.
What?
Come here, Hannah. See if we can do this. Where's your ears, Hannah?
My ears are right here, Mom.
She said me.
Dad, where the heck are your ears?
Ready?
I can.
No. There you go.
Let's go, let's go. Woo-hoo. Step on the paw prints. Ah, my ears almost fell off.
7:30.
Wow, it's right in the middle.
You can't open it. Not yet.
Do you have the things?
Yeah.
Now open it. Push.
How did you do it?
Sam, can I sit on the top?
There's a
No, 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 no,
You
no.
come watch TV.
I was kidding.
What?
I'm gonna go climb on the top. With our shoes on? That's okay, right?
Well, probably been done before. Look it. It says welcome, and then what's it say?
Kristen Westland.
Huh.
What? What? I'm gonna sit on the bed. This bed. Is